First thing you'll need to do is measure out 4 ounces of butter into a mixing bowl, along with 4 ounces of sugar, and use a spoon or a mixer to cream them together until light and fluffy. Then add not 1, but 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of oil, and mix until combined. Add in 4.5 ounces of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, folding everything together, and when it's barely incorporated, add 1 ounce of milk or buttermilk. Stir everything through until it's incorporated. And then we need to prepare our tins. For this cake I have 2 8-inch loose bottom pans. Using baking paper, draw around the bottoms of each pan. Cut them out. Grease the pans with butter. Line them. And add a sprinkling of flour to ensure nothing sticks to the sides. Evenly distribute your cake batter into your pans, level and smooth them out, and lightly tap them to bring any large air bubbles to the surface. Then place your cakes into a preheated 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit oven for around 20 to 25 minutes. While the cakes are baking, we can whip up the cream for our filling. Pour 150 milliliters of double cream into a bowl, along with 1 teaspoon of icing sugar, and whip until it forms soft peaks. "25 minutes later, your cake should be risen and golden, and a skewer inserted into the centre should come out clean. To ensure our cake stays soft and moist, poke several holes into your sponge, and using water or a simple syrup, lightly brush on a thin coating. When cooled, run a knife around the edges of the pan and carefully release your cakes from their tins. To assemble your cake, turn one piece upside down and spoon on a generous layer of your favourite jam. Then either spoon or pipe on your chilled whipped cream. Then carefully place on the top layer, and our cake is complete. This is a really versatile recipe for birthday cakes or special occasions. It's great as a base or delicious as a vanilla sponge. It's really soft and moist and has the perfect texture. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think or if you make this for yourself down in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, check out my cooking playlist for more recipes. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, it really would be greatly appreciated. Leave any suggestions for future recipes you'd like to see down in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.